What if the ultimate luxury isn't a penthouse in the sky, but a fortress buried 1,000 feet below solid granite? To build a subterranean city, billionaires can't use standard equipment. They have to forge their own monsters. This is the architecture of survival. A 300-ton, unstoppable mechanical beast. The mission begins with the spine of the machine, the main thrust bearing.
Forged to withstand millions of pounds of continuous crushing force.
The mission begins with the spine of the machine, the main thrust bearing. This machine won't just move Earth. It is designed to chew through solid, ancient bedrock. Friction is the enemy of progress. The internal mechanics require extreme lubrication.
10,000 horsepower, generating enough torque to rotate the Earth itself. The nervous system of the beast is laid out with surgical precision. The heart is sealed. It will never see the light of day again. Now, the weapon is forged, the primary cutter head.
Before it can destroy rock, the steel must be absolutely flawless.
The foundation of the cutting face is prepared.
Every millimeter is calculated to optimize rock fracture and material flow. The housing for the teeth.
Standard drill bits would melt in hours. These are solid tungsten carbide.
Using extreme thermal expansion to lock the cutting tools permanently into place.
As the metal cools, the grip becomes indestructible. A 40-foot diameter wall of pure destruction. The head meets the heart.
Fusing the components requires hardware built for the apocalypse.
But the machine must protect its operators as it burrows deep into the earth.
The outer shield is prepped for the abyss.
A specialized, anti-corrosive polymer primer is applied.
The shield is assembled, creating a sealed, impenetrable pressure cabin.
A continuous, waterproof weld ensures the subterranean pressures stay outside.
The machine must consume the earth and instantly expel it.
The extraction artery, capable of moving 1,000 tons of crushed rock an hour.
This machine does not drive. It pushes itself forward by bracing against the very rock it just cut.
The hydraulic vanes are pressurized. Deep within the iron beast, the command center is established.
A fully climate-controlled, pressurized sanctuary for the elite engineering crew. Total control over thousands of tons of destructive force. The final armor coating is prepared.
A high-visibility epoxy shield designed to resist the extreme abrasion of solid granite.
The beast earns its stripes. "6 months of flawless, methodical assembly.
waiting to be unleashed.
The initial spin test.
"10,000 horsepower wakes up. The ground trembles before it has even taken its first bite.
The test is flawless. The machine is ready for the deep.
A machine this large cannot be driven to the site. It must be smuggled.
Billionaire bunker projects operate under extreme secrecy. The destination, an undisclosed, private mountain range.
The launch portal, a doorway into the solid earth. Lowering a 300-ton weight into a vertical shaft leaves zero room for error.
Gravity and mass in a delicate standoff.
The descent begins. At the bottom of the launch pit, the machine is reassembled.
The beast is made whole again, entirely underground.
Staring down its enemy. 3 miles of unbroken rock. The launch sequence is initiated. The machine braces itself, locking its massive weight into the earth. First contact.
The bedrock fractures. The unyielding earth gives way.
Inch by inch, the leviathan eats its way out of sight. The extraction system purges the pulverized stone. But drilling the hole is only half the job. The void must be secured.
The machine builds a perfect, indestructible concrete ring behind it as it moves.
A fully autonomous, subterranean factory. Creating an impenetrable shell that will last for millennia.
Days turn into weeks. The machine never sleeps. The earth fights back. The armor scars, but the advance never stops. A massive void is being carved beneath the mountain. And yet, from the surface, absolute silence. The ultimate secret. A massive industrial operation, completely invisible.
The destination is reached. The main cavern. The beast completes its mission. The spinning stops. The dust settles. It has created an indestructible highway into the abyss. Now, the real work begins. The construction of the luxury fortress. The twist in this incredible engineering feat is the machine's ultimate fate. A machine that costs $100 million to build is far too large to ever be extracted. It is entombed within the very rock it conquered.
Its final resting place forms the foundation of the bunker. The mechanical sacrifice makes way for extreme survival. A fortress wrapped in miles of granite. Absolute opulence, entirely disconnected from the surface world.
Impenetrable. Undetectable.
And beneath the polished floors, the iron leviathan sleeps forever. The launch shaft is backfilled, covered with earth and trees. Nature reclaims the surface, wiping away all evidence. The secret is perfectly kept.
This factory is still running.
They are building another one. And another. An entire fleet of unstoppable machines. Being shipped under the cover of darkness to undisclosed locations around the world. Carving out hidden cities beneath the mountains.
Beneath the deserts.
Creating a vast, subterranean network of wealth and survival. A world beneath our world. While we walk on the surface, completely unaware. Every step you take could be right on top of one.
How many machines are digging beneath us right now?